Hello Stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at stampingup.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Gosh, that's always such a mouthful. For my Wait What Wednesday tip video, I have a super easy little tip for you, but it's something that I saw a fellow demonstrator, my partner up in Canada, Ashley, do. And I thought, gosh, that's kind of nifty. I'm going to give that a try and see if I like it. So we're going to be talking about dimensionals today. Let's flip this camera around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this tip came about from my friend Ashley up in Canada. And as I was watching one of her videos, I noticed that she was taking her Take Your Pick tool and simply picking the backing off of the dimensional. Now you guys have seen me, let me punch out another little one here. You guys have seen me use my fingernail in the middle of the dimensionals. Oops, hang on, we're getting stuck all over the place here. I take my fingernail and I poke it right down in there and it lifts the edge up so you can get a hold of that. Still a little tricky, right? So I watched her take her Take Your Pick tool and just pop that backing off with that. And if you just poke it into the dimensional, it'll lift it right off. And I thought, how clever is she? I had never seen, oh, that one's already off, sorry. I'd never seen anybody do it like that. And I thought that's a really good little tip that I think I would like to share with all of you. So let me tell you a little bit about this card. I can't take any credit for it. I got this cute little card from my friend Barb, and she sent it to me as a thank you, and I fell in love with it. So we actually made this at my stamp clubs in the month of October because, well, why wouldn't I? So I've got 2 of those. I need a couple more. I need 1 more of the Cajun Craze. We've got Cajun Craze, Mary Merlot, and Mint Macaron. I need 1 more Mary Merlot. Oh, that's not it. Here it is. And then I'll show you the finished card. I just thought this was so neat. Like, what a great idea. You just pop all those cute little leaves all over on there. Here's the finished card. We've also got some of our gold metallic pearls. Get some more light in here. And these little leaves with the To Every Season punch pack. This comes with a heart, a snowflake, a bat, and then this cute little leaf. And I just thought these were so adorable, right? Mary Merlot card base. We've got Mint Macaron for our layer here. Our white layer is 3 3/4 by 5. Mint Macaron is 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. Mint Macaron ribbon, did I say that? And the inside's just 4 by 5 1/4 whisper white. So yeah, what a great fall card. Easy to make, and I just loved how clean and crisp it was. So it was a perfect example to show you how to easily get the backings off of your dimensionals. Who knew? Who knew? All right, you guys, if you would like to place any orders with me, you know you can head right over to my blog. You can click right up here. That'll take you over there. Today is Wednesday, and I always share a joke of the week. So make sure you hop on over there, get yourself a little giggle. Laughter is good for the soul. And if you would like to place an order, that's great. I always appreciate your orders. Don't forget to click down here and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. And if you're placing orders with me and you're not getting a discount, you really need to check out that discount shopper kit. Everybody should be getting a discount. Join my team, become part of something so much bigger. You will love it. All the details for that can be found again on my blog in the right-hand column. Look for $99 kit. You'll find questions and answers to just about everything you can think of. And if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask me. You know where I am. Right here in Menasha, Wisconsin, stamping and making cards. Thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend with me. Have a fabulous hump day. Bye-bye.